Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are again with you with a new video with new entire collection. The beauty of this collection is that we are showing the closer design of the embroidery patterns along with the full look of the dress so that you could get the idea that how you are going to design the whole pattern of the embroidery. So now let's move back towards the closer look of the beautiful design patterns. The whole embroidery highlighted pattern would be towards the main entire design. Guys, as you could see that different beautiful multicolor floral patterns have been designed for your dresses. Specifically, these designs are based on Eastern design patterns like kurti, shirts, kameez, and even you can make peplum, short frocks, mm, even western style dresses like bodycon dress, like maxi dress, could be made by using these very beautiful patterns of embroidery. If you want to create beautiful and designer style dresses by sitting at your home and by becoming a designer of your own, then guys, believe me, you are at a right platform. So use silk for making these patterns and use silver and golden threads to outline the floral patterns to give a more royal and formal party wear type look and for giving them a unique and matte look. Use anchor and DMC threads for embroidering these patterns. The beauty of these designs is that you can make machine embroidery patterns also by using these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery. We have tried our best to show the whole dress look, the closer views of the neckline embroidery patterns along with sideline shoulder embroideries, along with side pocket embroidery, along with beautiful motifs of necklines. So different stylized patterns have been adopted in this video to give you a more broader perspective of design ideas that how beautifully and creatively you can design. Guys, one more thing that please, if you are really liking my content, then don't forget to like. Why are you being so ignorant about my videos? Please do make a habit of liking my videos. Your love and support enables us to make and encourages us, motivates us to make new videos and new content. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Meet you soon with new upcoming videos with a very beautiful and latest up to date content. Up till then, take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.